Hello, Sue here. Just wanted to quick pop on and talk about Stress Away and the uses for Stress Away. First of all, let's talk about those oils and the smells that come from here. What I like to dub this one is, it is Hawaii in a bottle. So what comes in it is copahiba, lime, cedarwood, vanilla, ocotea, and lavender. So all calming, very soft scents. None of them are super strong, and they make for a great, great relaxing scent. So what are the ways that you can do it? There's many, many ways you can use these oils, but just if you're starting out, here's one that you can just do is you can put it on your wrist or on your palm of your hand. If you put it on your wrist, just put a drop and then take the lava beads of your bracelet and roll it in there. And then you have it on your wrist. You can rub it to the other one and wear it like a perfume, or like we said, on the lava beads, and then you have it there. Otherwise, another one is putting it in the palm of your hand, taking a drop or two, and then rubbing them together and inhaling. Smells so good. So that's one way. And then you can take what's left over and rub it on. If you have tight muscles on your neck, it's great. A little bit under your nose, or grab those main muscles that hold your head up and pinch them, and then rub a little bit of this of your excess oil into those muscles, just a little bit, and then pinch them again and slowly let your fingers ride up, and you can just feel the relaxation. It feels so good. A few other ways is with yoga. You can diffuse it with yoga. You can put a couple drops on your yoga outfit or have it diffusing in the room. You can have it diffusing when you're taking a bath or a foot soak, and you can also put it in your bath or foot soak with baking soda, Epsom salt, sea salt, whatever you wish, or a blend of those with a little bit of dry goat's milk to make your skin really soft after you do it. And just add some drops. Start slow and go low with your number count. So start at about 3 to 5 and see how you like it, and then increase from there, especially when you're doing a diffuser. Because you can pour some of the water out if you end up with too much, but why waste it? Pour it into a cup or something that you can pour it back. But just start with a few drops and build up till you know your numbers, because you can always add more oils. So those are just a few ways you guys can use Stress Away. But so many people love using Stress Away for so many things. You can use it in the car even while traveling or wherever, camping. In your bedroom at night as you're getting ready to unwind. You can put it going and rest and relax, right? So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and tell me how you end up using your favorite, soon-to-be favorite essential oil, Stress Away. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.